the front yard of Scott and Norma. We're here at the corner of Cushing and Pleasant Streets here in Cohasset, where they have created a magical, scary wonderland for this Halloween. And we're going to talk to Scott and Norma and go through and sort of look at some of the things that they've created and find out a little bit about the background of why they're doing this and how long they're doing it and so forth. So stand by for some very interesting chat. Scott and Norma. And Scott and Norma have every year for the last, how many years?
This is a third big year.
A third big year creating this magical Halloween wonderland in their front lawn. So tonight we're going to take a look around. We'll talk a little bit about each of their little features they set up, skeletons, and what's the theme for this year?
Well, it's pirates this year. We built the ship purposely for that. But every year we change the theme, and we also have a cemetery scene back behind us.
Okay, so we'll walk around and we'll see some of these things, and they're just amazing animated figures, lights, fog, and all of that. So let's start to walk over here and we'll look around. So maybe we can just start at the beginning. We'll get out to your front gate and start this tour.
Well, this is the entrance. We hope everyone comes in this way.
Yeah.
Because the candy is going to be underneath Mr. Frankenstein, Frankenstein's monster.
Right, so you will have candy for the kids.
We will have candy for the
that's
kids.
Good. So you said you've been doing this in earnest for about 3 years.
This is the third big year that we've done this. We started in March for this particular theme, the ship.
Yeah.
Now, not all these ideas are original. You can go on YouTube and get ideas. You take that idea and you build upon it.
Yeah.
That's what we did.
Right, exactly. No, that's what's wonderful. I think it's a great addition to the neighborhood because I just live around the corner, as you know. So let's talk about this. The theme for this year is the Pirates of the Caribbean, or just pirates?
Well, we're going to play some Caribbean music.
Yeah, okay.
I mean, we are on Halloween.
Yeah.
Yeah, why don't you come this way?
Pirates of Cohasset.
Yeah, Pirates of Cohasset.
And we have, so you built a pirate ship, or you built 2 pieces.
Yeah.
Is that the way?
Both. Yeah.
Yeah. So you have a bow and a stern, and I understand you have cannon. Cannon pots. Cannon ports.
Well, the original idea was just to build the front part of this ship and put the captain behind it and look like he was sailing the ship. It was going to be a small accessory to the front lawn. And then Norma said, "Oh no! Now you got to build the back of the ship."
Small.
I said, "Really?
You guys don't do small accessories from the front lawn." So you built around that. I mean, that was sort of the beginning.
That's right.
The focal point.
And we built the man in the crow's nest.
Yes. Yeah, that's fabulous.
We have the cannons, which shoot out smoke.
Terrific.
Yep.
We're here at the entrance to the cemetery or graveyard as part of Scott and Norma's elaborate presentation in their front lawn. It's a bit too scary for us to go in there. I mean, there are noises coming out of there that I just am not comfortable with. So we'll talk about them, the different things going on in there. But we are going to send our intrepid cameraman in to actually film them. But it's just too scary. So what kind of things do you have in that in that cemetery. There's a lot of noise coming out of it.
Well, a lot of these things are motion sensitive, so when the kids walk by, it may not go off exactly as they walk by, but it'll give them a nice little scare for the next person that walks by. We have a creepy crawlers. We have
It's just that creepy crawler.
well, it's trying to crawl out of the ground. We have oh my God, the Graves robber.
Oh yes, with that wrapped up body on his.
Yeah, that's right. And we have 2 grave diggers, a 12-footer and just a normal little 6-footer.
Yeah. And the headstones in there are pretty amazing.
Well, Norma made all the headstones.
Yeah. There's one for curiosity with the 9 cats on the headstone. Is that right?
The 9 lives, the dates of all their deaths. Absolutely.
It's really it's great.
Yep.
Well,
Great
great.
skeleton.
I think that's. I think we've had a good tour here, and I really want to thank you guys for number one letting us tour tonight, but really the big thing is for doing this. This is. And we're going to go down the street because this has inspired the neighborhood. It's really up the game for Halloween here. So I really just want to thank the both of you because
No problem.
Certainly.
it's been great.
Well, it's fun for us too. It's fun for, the neighborhood enjoys it. We've been here about 20 years. It's a nice little place to live.
Yeah, oh it is. It's a fabulous place. And I think you mentioned to me that there is a stop sign on the corner of Pleasant Street as it meets Cushing. And people are observing it more now.
Yeah, they're actually stopping.
They're actually stopping.
Which is a nice touch.
To get a good look at what's going on in the yard here. So, anyway, thanks again, you guys. I really appreciate it.
Our pleasure. Thank you.
Look forward to next year.
All right.
Oh yeah.
Who knows?
We have ideas.
Okay.
You start
Again.
with the limits.
Thank you.